So in this question it is given that two trains are moving with velocities v1 is equals to 10 meters per second and v2 is equals to 20 meters per second on the same track in opposite directions. After the application of brakes, if the retarding rates are a1 is equals to 2 meters per second square and a2 is equals to 1 meter per second square respectively, then the minimum distance of separation between the trains to avoid the collision is. So here both the trains are moving in opposite direction. Let us take this as T1 and the other as T2. Now the first train velocity is given as 10 meters per second and the second train velocity is given as 20 meters per second. The retardation rates are given as 2 meters per second square and 1 meter per second square. First let us calculate the minimum time taken by the trains to stop. If you see about the first train, I am applying the equation v is equals to u plus at. Finally they are going to come to rest. So v will be equal to 0. So 0 is equals to initial velocity 10 plus minus 2 into t. So here the time taken by the first train to come to rest is 5 seconds. For the second train, again apply the equation v is equals to u plus at. Finally it is going to come to rest. So here 0 is equals to 20 plus minus 1 into t. So here the time taken by the second train to come to rest is 20 seconds. So in this 5 seconds, the first train will cover a distance of, let x1 distance. This can be calculated using the formula s is equals to ut plus half at square. Substitute the values here. Initial velocity is 10, the time of travel is 5 plus half into acceleration minus 2 into 5 square. So this is 50 minus 25, this is 25 meters. Similarly in this 20 seconds, let us assume this T2 train is going to travel a distance of x2. So this will be is equals to ut, which is 20 into 20 plus half at square, half into minus 1 into 20 square. So this is 400 minus 200, which will be 200 meters. So T1 has to travel a minimum distance of 25 meters and T2 has to travel a minimum distance of 200 meters. So the minimum separation should be 200 plus 25, that is 225 meters. Option B will be correct.